everyone, welcome back. In this session, we would learn how to solve the practice problem cube root of a given number. So first, let us understand the question and then we would solve it. So basically in this we are given an n value, let's say 27, and we need to find the cube root of the given number. So 27 is achieved by 3 into 3 into 3, right? Where 3 into 3 is 9 and 9 into 3 would give you 27, right? So basically the output for this would be 3, correct? So we just need to find the cube root for the given values. How to do it? It's very easy. What you can do is you can just apply the power for n to be 1 by 3, okay? This is how you calculate the cube root of a given number. If you need to find the square root, you just need to write n power half. Okay, so I hope the concept is clear to you. Now let's solve the question. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, you need to choose school. Okay, after choosing school, you need to find the problem. Okay, the problem is cube root of a number. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay, so let's solve the question. Here it is. Let's read the statement first. Given a number n, find the cube root of n. We need to print the floor value of the result. Okay, so I hope the question is clear to you, and now we would code it over here. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, 1 minute. Let's do it. So I just need to write return. Okay, then integer value. I need a floor value, right? And now over here it would be n. Okay, 1 minute. Let's write n. 1 minute. After n, I need to write star 1 by 3, right? So it would be star 1/3 and close. Now I need to check if my solution is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. Let's see. It's taking some time, but we need to wait, right? We need to wait. Okay, it is ready for evaluation. Let's wait. The compilation is completed. And my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Okay, so let's submit it. Let's see. It's taking some time. Let's wait. Okay, so the problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem cube root of a number. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys liked it. If you like this video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.